Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, July 27th, 2026. We'll cover today's major movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes showed mixed results. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,413.43, up by 1.45 points. The Dow 30 index rose 262.83 points, closing at 52,210.8. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index fell by 43.73 points to 24,932.8. Market breadth reveals a positive skew. The S&P 500 index saw 326 advancers to 161 decliners. The Dow 30 index had 23 advancing against 7 declining. The Nasdaq Composite Index posted 1,711 advances versus 1,097 declines, despite its downward close. The indices displayed distinct return patterns this week. The Dow 30 index leads with a weekly return of 0.51%. The Russell 2000 index showed a solid 0.62% weekly return. The S&P 400 midcap index experienced a strong 0.31% rise today. Among sectors, consumer defensive led with a 1.5% gain, breaking out after 3 flat days. Financial services achieved a new all-time high, closing at 946.25. Healthcare maintained consistent upward momentum, closing up for the 3rd consecutive day, illustrating its robust rising trend. Energy weakened, dropping 1.9%. Technology also faced pressure, closing 0.95% lower with notable downward volatility. Utilities edged down 1.3%, while basic materials moved against the general trend, climbing 0.25% amidst others falling. Global markets saw notable performances. India and China, iShares ETFs, rose 1.8% and 1.7% respectively. Spain iShares ETF hit an all-time high with a 1.6% rise, matching sharp upward volatility. Germany likewise featured an upward breakout after recent flat movement. Weekly returns exhibit impressive figures. India's ETF boasts an 1.81% weekly gain. Spain's ETF stands out with a 1.64% weekly rise, affirming positive momentum. Germany follows closely with notable upward price action, reinforcing its recent breakout. Today in the tech space, Apple reached a new all-time high closing price at $336.91, climbing 3.89. Meanwhile, Alphabet rose by 2.3%, while Amazon had its 5th consecutive decline, edging down 0.72. Meta Platforms also dipped, marking 8 straight losing days. NVIDIA faced a sharper drop, down 4.9%, breaking out downward after a brief flat spell.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 64,929.9, down by 411.98. The crypto giant is facing a mixed negative trend today. Ethereum follows with a price of 1,944.30, down by 8.63 in a mixed positive trend. Meanwhile, BNB edges up to 575.8, marking an upward movement for the 3rd consecutive day, but still in a mixed negative trend. Over to Solana, it's down 0.76 to 75.93, maintaining a strong negative trend. Lastly, Dogecoin sees a drop of 0.0013 to 0.072, experiencing a very strong negative trend. For returns and daily performance, Bitcoin has a modest month-to-date total return of 10.94%. Ethereum is stronger with its 23.88% monthly gain. BNB lags with a modest 5.34% monthly rise. Solana sits at 3.24% gains, while Dogecoin barely registers with a 0.04% month-to-date bump, despite its ongoing decline. Year-to-date, all of these cryptos show significant losses.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is demonstrating strength across key global currencies. Against the euro, it is currently at 0.8793, rising 0.29%. Meanwhile, the dollar has also gained 0.46% over the British pound at 0.7524. The dollar's value has also increased slightly against the Japanese yen, now priced at 163.7380. Similarly, against the Swiss franc, the dollar is showing significant momentum at 0.8193, advancing 0.52% as it heads toward a one-year high, last seen on July 24, 2026. Lastly, the Australian dollar stands at 1.4301 against the greenback, reflecting a modest rise.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.